Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. We are approaching the snowblower season again here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a snowblower that goes forward when you put it in reverse. Now on most MTD snowblowers and Cub Cadets, you will only need two 7/16 wrenches to fix this problem. Now what you need to do to fix this is adjust the shifter cable, which goes all the way down here to this part here. Now on some other snowblowers, you will need to adjust the cables in this fashion here. You either turn in the black part or out depending on what adjustments you want. And on some other snowblowers, what you need to do is adjust the shifter linkage right here. So for example, on this snowblower here, you would loosen this carriage bolt and either move the linkage up and down and then retighten it up. So what I'm actually going to do here, guys, is start up the machine and show you what the problem is. So as you clearly saw here in the reverse gears, it wants to go forward. In the forward gears, it goes a lot faster than it normally should. Now the good thing about this repair is it's very easy to do. Again, just grab your two 7/16 wrenches. Now if you have an MTD snowblower, which could be a Cub Cadet, Columbia, Troy-Bilt, etc., what you need to do is adjust this bolt here with this mechanism. Now on these snowblowers here, it's a lot easier to do if you put it right up in the 6th gear. This will create a bit of slack in the cable, and it's just easier to adjust it, as I'll show you. Now what you need to do is lock one side of the bolt with your wrench, then grab your other 7/16 wrench, loosen the bolt, slide this part down almost to the bottom, and then retighten it up. So what this will do is change the gear shifter configuration so that when you have it in reverse, it will actually go in reverse. So now I'm going to start up the machine and you will see how the forward gears work properly and the reverse. Now, if you're not happy with your speeds, you can keep adjusting the part that I showed you with the two 7/16 wrenches. Depending on where you adjust it, it will reverse in different speeds and go forward in different speeds. I usually adjust it like I showed you on this machine because that's the most common spot that my customers are happy with. And as you can see, guys, it's very easy to do. All you need are two 7/16 wrenches and you can do it yourself very quickly and save yourself a trip to the shop. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed and click the bell underneath the video here to be notified when I post new videos. Have a great day, guys.